Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make custom shapes in Canva, a simple trick that can instantly level up your designs. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned designer, mastering custom shapes will give your projects that professional edge. So let's dive in. Access the Elements tab. First, open Canva and head over to the left-hand toolbar. Click on the Elements tab. This is your treasure trove for all kinds of design assets, from icons and graphics to, of course, shapes. Search and select shapes. Next, type shape into the search bar. Click on See All to explore the full library. Scroll through and find a shape that fits your vision. This could be anything from simple circles and squares to more creative geometric designs. Once you've found one, click to add it to your canvas. Resize and distort. Now that your shape is on the canvas, it's time to make it your own. Drag the corner handles to resize it. Want more flexibility? Hold down the Shift key while dragging. This lets you distort the shape freely and create unique designs that stand out. Customize color. With your shape selected, click the color palette icon at the top. Here, you can choose from preset colors, explore Canva's suggested palettes, or even enter a hex code to match your exact branding or style. Customizing colors makes your shape truly unique. And that's it. You've just learned how to create and customize shapes in Canva. Experiment with different sizes, colors, and distortions, and you'll be amazed at how much they can elevate your designs. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a design tip. Thanks for watching and happy designing.